Good morning and namaskar to the students of Vice Principal Ma'am, coordinators, teachers, brothers, sisters, and my dear friend. It's me, Sudarsan Timalsina from grade 82, standing in front of you all to tell about beyond the grades. The second teacher hand out the test paper. You will check what marks did you got. If it is good, you will be relaxed. If it is bad, you will be panicked. But nobody will see what did they get wrong. We have turned our school into games of collecting points for it. Then we are here to learn and think by ourselves, not from orders or AI. Flawless test paper is an illusion. You can get A by reading for 2 a.m. and forgetting everything by tomorrow morning. That is not learning, it is just printing and information. AI can memorize facts instantly, but it cannot wonder why. That curiosity is where human knowledge lives. You can focus on the story behind the facts rather than higher score. The grades will take care of by themselves. Stop collecting points and start thinking.